Good day everyone. Learn how to change DNS in Windows 11. So you want to enhance the internet speed and browsing. If you want the better browsing, you can change the DNS in Windows 11 and it is very beneficial and it is better always. So I'll tell you two DNS as an alternate and primary, and I'm sure you will love it at the end of this tutorial. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to run and type ncpa.cpl. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Once you have typed it, click on OK. And you will find your Wi-Fi, your Ethernet. So if you have connected through Ethernet, you can select that. If you're connected with Wi-Fi, you can select Wi-Fi. Do a right click, go to properties, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then go to properties and type as it is as I am using. Preferred DNS is the Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS is 1.1.1, which is Cloudflare DNS. You can use the vice versa, whichever works better for you, and I'm sure it will be way better than earlier. You will see a difference in your PC, and also don't forget to flush the DNS. So to do that, you need to type cmd in the search, run as administrator, say yes, and then type IP config space /flush DNS. Very easy command. Just type it and hit enter. It will say successfully flushed the DNS, and you just need to restart your PC and see the magic, see the difference. Do let me know in the comment section, now is it loading faster or not? If yes, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.